looks like we do have a winter system headed our way. Some of us already waking up to some light snow and flurries out there, so we were starting 2021 with a chance to see some accumulating snow, which is really not something we've seen for most of the winter season so far. Did see some ice the last few days, though. So right now, cloud cover, flurries starting to come down for some of us, and it is cold. We're sitting in the 20s, which is pretty normal for this time of year, but it's feeling closer to the teens because our winds about 10 miles an hour right now coming out of the northeast. Today's going to be pretty breezy through and through. We'll have wind gusts 25 to 30 miles an hour, so that is going to cut into the wind chill the entire day. And we have that winter weather on the way. So winter weather advisory, that's for the areas in purple, goes until 8 p.m. this evening. Areas in pink, this is the winter storm warning. We had one here in Buchanan County a few days ago with the ice. So that goes all the way up to Cameron, off towards Chillicothe, down towards the south. That extends into Kansas City. That's where likely going to see some higher ice accumulations and snow totals, but still have a chance here in St. Joseph as well. So here's a look at this system. You can see this low pressure system rotating, lifting into our area. It's been giving Kansas City and areas down towards the south some pretty slick conditions out there with ice already accumulating down towards our south. You can see that purple mix in up towards the north near St. Joseph and up towards northwest Missouri. Mainly just some very light snow and flurries. You can see a little bit of a darker blue down near Platte City. That's starting to extend into Chillicothe. A little bit more of some moderate snow, and that's heading our direction. So let's time this out for you as we move through the rest of the morning. See how close this line gets to St. Joseph. So depending on where you are, these snow totals are really going to differ. As it pushes through our area, could see a mix at first, some sleet, possibility for a glaze of ice in our area here in St. Joseph, then off towards the east where that pink lingers. Likely a little bit more ice, and then eventually we'll see that transition all to snow. Mainly through the morning, afternoon, early evening. So we're going to see this system push through. And then it starts to exit up towards our area. Notice extreme northwest Missouri, really not seeing too much of the snow. If anything, could see a dusting for some of us, but it looks like that pretty much going to miss out on the snowfall for this system. After that, clears out Friday evening. Saturday, just cloud cover and cool for the rest of the day. So as far as snowfall totals, you can see this line dropped off pretty quickly right across St. Joseph. So off towards the east, I think these are a little bit on the higher side, but we could have a few areas down towards the south that see 6 or 7 inches. I'm expecting 2 to 4 for most of us up towards northwest Missouri, extreme northwest Missouri. You see that really starts to taper off. Some of us maybe only a dusting of some snow. 30 today for your highs. Snow showers, a chance for a little bit of a wintry mix, about 2 to 4 inches for most of us. Then we clear out for the weekend. Sunshine staying a little bit cool. Next week we have some 40s in store. Stay with us. We'll be right back.